Hello Divi Nation, and welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a new NGO layout pack we think you're going to love. Let's go ahead and jump in and check it out. This NGO layout pack is tailor-made for those non-government organizations that are excited to aid communities by meeting a variety of needs like medical, hunger, education, financial, you name it. This layout pack will help you launch a captivating NGO website that will engage visitors to do things like donate, volunteer, attend events, and much more. Plus, the cutting edge design and custom graphics really do make each page in this layout a joy to explore. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new NGO layout pack on your own website. All right, so before we can start adding this pre-made layout to our website, we must first make sure and authenticate our Elegant Theme subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options. Go ahead and click the Updates tab, and there you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Once that's done, you'll have access to all of our free pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder without any problems. And now we can start the process of creating our pages and then adding each of those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. To get started, go over to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Go ahead and select the option Choose a Pre-Made Layout. And then from that Load from Library pop-up under the Pre-Made Layouts tab, you can search and find the new NGO Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and select the one that you want, and when you're ready, click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save or publish the page, and then continue the same process to create all of the remaining pages needed, and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. And once all the pages have been created with those pre-made layouts loaded to each one, you're ready for the next step, which is to create a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your new menu a name, and then click to Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Select all of those and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize the menu items however you like. And don't forget to set the display location as primary menu, and then click Save Menu. And once our menu has been created, we're ready for the final step, which is to add a static home page to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, select the static page, and then for the home page, go ahead and select that home page you created with the corresponding home page layout, and then click Save Changes. And now your new website is up and running with the new NGO layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course, like us on Facebook. And make sure to click to get those notifications so that we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.